The moment you step out of that delivery room, the world shifts in ways no one truly prepares you for. Your body feels like a stranger. Your skin is practically screaming for some kind of relief. This is exactly where a name like Pure Mama starts popping up in every social media feed you scroll through while nursing at 3 in the morning. They have been in the game for 12 years now. That is a long time in the world of skincare and recovery. It means they are not just some fly-by-night brand that jumped on a trend. They have built a reputation over more than a decade of supporting women through the messiest and most beautiful parts of motherhood. Their birth and postpartum recovery kit has become a bit of a sensation. You see the ads everywhere for a reason. People are looking for a solution that actually works when their skin feels depleted and their muscles are aching. The kit focuses heavily on hydration and texture. When you are pregnant, your skin stretches to its absolute limit. After the baby arrives, that recovery period needs something heavy-duty but gentle. Their massage oils are designed to sink in and actually help with that bounce back. It is about more than just smelling good. It is about restoring that elasticity and making you feel like a human again. Then there are the sprays. These are literal lifesavers for staying hydrated on the go or during those long nights. They have different kits for different stages, like the pregnancy and beyond set. This covers you from the first trimester all the way through the fourth. Now, let's be real about the price tag. It is not the cheapest option on the shelf. The cost is a little high. That might make you hesitate. But you have to look at the value of getting a complete, curated system all in one box. Instead of hunting down 5 different products from 5 different stores, you get a cohesive routine. It was built to work together. That convenience has a value of its own. This is especially true when you barely have time to brush your hair. The brand is legit. There is no doubt about their standing in the market. They've spent years refining these formulas to address the specific needs of a body in transition. It is about improving skin texture. It is about giving you that glow back even when you are running on 2 hours of sleep. If you have tried their oils or the recovery kit yourself, your perspective is the most valuable thing here. Personal stories matter so much more than a list of ingredients. Real-world results are what people need to hear about before they drop their hard-earned money. Did the hydration last all day? Did the massage oil actually help with those stretch marks? These are the questions that define whether a brand is worth the hype. Pure Mama seems to have cracked the code for many women by providing a sense of luxury. It is a small comfort in a time that can feel very unluxurious. It is about taking a few minutes for yourself when your whole world is focused on someone else. That small act of self-care can be the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling grounded. If the products help you feel even 5% more like yourself, that is a huge win. The feedback from the community often points to the quality of the ingredients and the way the products feel on the skin. It is not greasy or heavy. It feels intentional. That is the word that keeps coming to mind. Intentional. They have thought about what a new mother actually needs. They have thought about the scents, the textures, and the ease of use. If you're on the fence, the longevity of the brand should give you some peace of mind. 12 years of staying power says a lot about the efficacy of what is inside those bottles. It is a solid investment in your own recovery and your own comfort during a massive life transition. Share your thoughts if you have used it, because those real reviews are what truly help the rest of us decide.